Mm. Mm. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. God, what a douche I would be if that was my intro, right? Like, for real? Okay, no.
Step kitty up.
Hi, Mama. Come here. Hi. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Step Your Kitty Up. I'm Austin. This is Aria. She will be our guest today. Temporary. No telling how long she's actually going to stay here. So today we are going to be nerding out about makeup. I actually recently just received a shipment from Pat McGrath. And this is the Blitz Astral Quad in Nocturnal Nirvana. And the reason why I'm even filming this video, the reason why I even ordered this, the reason why I'm even freaking out right now is because this went on sale in October, quickly sold out, like before Black Friday. This particular palette sold out. Opulence! She sold everything. I'm just really excited to actually have this in my possession. As you can see here, we've got a little bit of extra on set today. That's what came in the cardboard box. So you're really not missing much by me like not pulling this out of the box. We're just gonna... Getting into this palette. So this is part of the Obsessive Opulence Holiday Collection. It's a fucking mouthful, man. I had to practice that line like so long to get it right because I kept on calling it the wrong thing. But anyway, these Blitz Astral Quads, there are 3 of them. Oh my god, this package is so fucking cute. Oh my god, wow. Look at it. I've never actually opened one of these in person. So like, I got a Pat McGrath palette for Christmas. I actually got the C3PO palette. My mom got me this. It sold out in like 10 minutes. Like, I shit you not. Okay, that's a little bit of an exaggeration. It was like 2 days. But it sold out very quickly, and I am very grateful that she was able to get her hands on these. But this was actually like my first taste of Pat McGrath eyeshadow, and it was actually like phenomenal. This was a really great start, especially because it's got C3PO on it. Like, how could you get better, right? Well, we're about to see. So I ordered this palette. It finally was back in stock March 27th, and I toyed with not getting it because I waited this long without it. I could live, right? No, actually I couldn't. So 3 days into it, I used my VIP code and I got 10% off and free shipping. So it made it worth it, right? Let's be real. This packaging is fucking fierce. Like, gold-plated back, girl. It says, Pat McGrath Labs, used without caution. Shade throwing and eye ecstasy may result with prolonged use. Ooh. I love it. Oh, it sounds so dangerous, right? Okay, so we're gonna open this bitch up. Oh, hi, honey. Aren't you pretty? I'm sorry, I'm not even showing you. Here, I can do that over the mirror. That's perfect. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Just get like a full shimmer effect going here so that you can really see. Oh my God, like, that green. Okay, so online, even in the swatch videos on her website, the green is this iridescent green purple. It looks like Mardi Gras in a pan shade. Oh my God, it's so much cuter in person. It defies every expectation I had. Okay, sorry, I don't mean to be that bitch. So we're gonna put this on real quick because I have to swatch this. I have my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer here. And if you're new to eyeshadow primer or you've just been using it wrong the whole time, like apparently I have, you don't need a lot because it actually makes your eyeshadow drag and it results in a little bit more blotchy application. I did not know that. So we're just gonna go dot, 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 and literally just drag that down. And I'm going to work with what I've got here for like my entire forearm. It needs to be more of like a sheer coat. Which that's news to me, so that's why I'm sharing it to everybody. Like, a bitch learned this like 14 hours ago. Okay, so I've got my eyeshadow primer on here. We've got a very sheer layer. There's not any drag when I run my finger across. And now we're gonna get into these 4 pans with my 4 fingers. We're gonna pick up this gold a little bit, Oh my God, that is gorge. Okay, let's get in this blue. I'm just gonna get the green before I even look at it. I'm gonna get this purple. And we're gonna get the rest of that I missed. Oh my God. Oh, wow. She is sparkling. Like, look at her. Oh my God. So this is, wow, that purple is freaking intense, y'all. Shimmer on lock. Okay, so let's get this swatched. I'm just gonna drag all of my fingers. We're just gonna see what the pigment does. Okay, so like an initial swatch, that's a pretty good, like that was like uneven pressure in every spot, and it literally has like a lot of pigment here. I'm impressed. The payoff is really great with this pigment. It goes very far. I did not have to press my fingers at all into the pan. It was like velvet every time I touched it. It's literally the softest thing I've ever touched in my life. So we're just kind of gonna give you this again, just so that you can see what we're working with. Okay, so final thoughts. I'm so glad I spent the money on this fucking palette. Like, this is so good. This is so good. Take my money. I want more. I think I might buy the other palettes, but it's amazing. I can't wait to go play with this. I might post a video of me playing with this later on our Instagram, so make sure to follow us there, Step Your Kitty Up. And in the comments, if you would like to see any sort of looks, if you would like to see any other brands or products mentioned, drop them there and I'll see what I can work with. I've got a lot of cosmetics I could review. So, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to step your kitties up. Have a good day, friends.